Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad KHAIRI bin Hamizat. Today we're gonna talk about waste rubber recycling by me, Muhammad KHAIRI bin Hamizat, with the matrix number 2023X63916. In this list of content, we can see what we're gonna talk in this video, where what is the rubber recycling, type of rubber waste, way to recycle, which is the thermal way, chemical way, physical way, the impact it on environment, and the benefit, and also the innovation for this waste. Firstly, we need to know is what is rubber recycling. Waste recycling is an important step in protecting environment. One of the recycling is rubber recycling, where we recycle this rubber waste onto new type product or separate the compound to make a new biofuel. This process will be run onto three types of recycling process, which is physical, thermal, and chemical. Firstly, we see the way to recycle this rubber waste. First, the physical way. The rubber will be, this waste rubber or tire waste will be thrown onto shredder to produce ELT granules. What is ELT granules? ELT itself means end to life tires granules. Next is the thermal, where this rubber will be used as a fuel source for electrical energy in powered plants. Lastly, the chemical waste. Waste tire or rubber will go into chemical processes to break down their sulfur bonding to produce secondary raw material. Firstly, the physical way. This waste rubber or tire will thrown onto shredder to produce ELT granules. Shredding. Tire or any rubber waste will be shoved onto shredder machine by the conveyor belt before being shredded onto the shredder depend on the grading. The grading processes. Firstly, we can see the image up above the shredder machine, and the black one was the final product. For the grading processes, these ELT granules will be graded by the size and the qualities before being sent to other manufacturers that use this material. Next is thermal processes, where the rubber or tire will be used as a fuel source for electrical power plants. This rubber will be sent onto power plant instead of waste field to reduce the effect to environment, thus reduce the production cost of power plant, since this material is easy to obtain and chemical processes. Waste tire or rubber will be go into chemical processes to break down the sulfur bonding to produce secondary raw material. Firstly, microwave oven. Waste rubber will be devulcanized by put it inside the microwave oven and to break down the sulfur bonding. So the second is the biological processes. Waste rubber will be mixed with this biomaterial to break down this sulfur bonding and make it clean for any sulfur. Next, the impact on environment. By recycling this material, it can reduce many harmful effects to environment and also to our health, such as firstly, reduce wasteful burning, where as we know, the rubber waste or tire are easy to flammable, which is easy to burn when being introduced to heat or any fire hazard condition. Next is to reduce carbon footprint, as this rubber when degraded slowly it will produce CO2 gas and can lead to ozone destruction. Next is reduce greenhouse effects. The fourth one is environmental destruction, where because of usage of this rubber waste as a fuel source for power plant, the manufacturer doesn't need to mining on the coal or drilling on the sea to find the fuel. Lastly, reduce the health risk because of the pest, because as we know, the virus such as dengue fever and rabies come from this pest like rat or mosquito, which can introduce which can make us sick, very sick, and the dangerous effect is reduce our life or a death situation. So there's effect impact on environment if we waste on reduce the rubber waste. Next, the benefit of recycling waste for the household first and foremostly become the source of income where this rubber tire can be made onto DIY furniture where it can be colored and decorated to make it more aesthetic and can be sold at higher prices. Another benefit is to make house to become beautiful where we can use the rubber boots as a pot to plant our flower and decorate it around the house, which make it our house more beautiful as we use cheap material and also cut costs on making our house more beautiful in the future. Lastly, the innovation in this production of rubber waste. Firstly, its live screen Vulcan project. This project was a cooperation between the Italian company to produce master batches for rubber tire making that derive from waste ELT granules. Next is a black cycle, where this project that consists 30 manufacturers also included Michelin company, as we know the tire company, to convert ELT granule onto secondary raw material to produce oil, resin, and a carbon black. I think that's all for me. Thank you for watching this video and hope you enjoy this as a reference or any resource for your about your learning in the future. Bye bye.